Caitlin,
That's never going to come out.
you're blue.
She's a Smurf.
She's a Smurf. Caitlin Smurf. Are you Caitlin Smurf?
Look at Papa, Caitlin.
Robert,
Look at
look
Papa.
at your granddaughter.
I think you need to go to Papa right now.
Don't wipe it on your clothes. Don't wipe it on your clothes, Caitlin.
That's permanent dye. Go get any clothes.
We had a paint bomb go off in the.
Look, she's gonna take a
Somebody robbed the
picture.
bank today.
Can you smile for me? That's enough. Give me a smile.
Oh, Lord.
But Caitlin, let me see you. 1.
2.
Cover your mouth.
What is she doing?